Hello everyone, my name is Shengyao. I'm the product manager in FM. Today I will show you a great product, OBD Profiler. It uses a laser line to detect good and bad parts. In the screen you can see a metal part with a gasket inside. Normally you need two laser point sensors to detect the flatness of the gasket. But with one profiler you can do the detection very easy. Here you see the matching value of the target is about 17% and the output is turned off. I put back the gasket in the right position. Then you see the matching value goes up to 92% and the output is on. So easy. And the settings of the sensor is also very easy too. I only need to move some mouse and click one button, then everything is done. You see, you only need to change the reference target error and save the recent profile. With some few seconds, then everything is done. So easy. For this product, if you would like to know more information, please come to our homepage. Thank you for your attention.